There's a stump there. I've got to watch out for that. I keep tripping. I'm not camped in the best spot. Like, there's my kitchen and everything, and there's big rocks there. I've kicked them once, maybe twice. There's little rocks everywhere. Stump there, as I just said. But we're just looking at the mirror reflection on the pond. It's not really a pond. It's the river, but I'm calling it a pond. How nice. Little birds jumping around. Little wrens. Are they called wrens?
Yeah.
Little wrens jumping around. There's one. You think they'd fly, not jump. Oh yeah, tiny little one. Probably not picking them up on camera, but just little ones. He's getting cheeky coming in. But yeah, it's dead still. Oh, there he goes off on the rock. But yeah, dead still. We can hear the odd car in the distance, probably four-wheel driving on the track. But it is dead still. Now and then you get a little gust come through and the smoke will blow straight to us, as always. But oh, it's a magic afternoon. In the weather forecast, there's meant to be a big front coming, so it could be an interesting night. Might have to pack the awning up. But also, under the awning, I noticed, because it's different material, it's a lot darker than what it was with the old awning. So, lights will come on soon. It's pretty calm here, so it could be calm before the storm. Or we might miss it all, I don't know. But this fire is going beautiful. Good coals under there, so it should be good. And it's putting out some heat. I think I might get the hot plate, or the fry pan, put it down there, put some coals there, and cook dinner tonight on the fire. Be good. Looking forward to it. Hopefully we don't get a big storm and get blown away.
I'm just trying to read up where it's going.
Dave's just checking it all out now on the phone. I think it's time I turn these lights on, because it's getting... Whoops. I'm tripping over too much. See how bright they're going to be tonight. I wonder if they brighten up. Doesn't seem to. Just one colour. Oh, they're on now. I don't know if they're going to be super bright or not, but it's a bit of extra light. Dave's got his on. We're having a light competition.
Mine are brighter than yours.
Yeah, his is a lot brighter. But because his are brighter, all the bugs will go over there and leave me alone.
Nope.
But yeah, I think the legs under here, one problem, I think might stop a bit of light. Don't know. But yeah, we'll see. I've got other lights anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But we just had a little shower, a little rain, but now it's dead calm again. The weather forecast we thought that was coming, that was for earlier in the day, so I think we're going to be right. I don't think they forecast rain for tomorrow, so we're going to have a nice night, hopefully. Nothing to stress or worry about. I'll probably leave the awning up. Yeah, enjoy. As I said before, definitely cooking on the fire. I'm going to outdo myself tonight and try and cook something I've never done before. Look like I know what I'm doing, you know, got to impress the followers. So yeah, get a few more coals and start cooking soon. Dave started cooking. I was making my bed. I hadn't made it, so I just made it. Ow! And he's burning himself. But it's making me hungry now, so I'm going to get my fire pan ready. I'm going to put some oil on it. I'm having a surf and turf with veggies tonight. I know that's the flashiest thing I've ever cooked, but you know, I've got visitors, so I've got to look like I look after myself. But first, get the fry pan out and get everything ready. Haven't cooked on fire for so long. Looking forward to it.
Yeah. How do you do your dishes so quick?
I must have been there. Outdone myself. Check that out. It's probably a bit hard to see with the... Oh, look at that. Nice prawns and veggies. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this. Dave's nearly finished his. I was a bit slow in the cooking department. So yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8. Hog in, don't wait. Woo. Well, this is going to be us for the night. We are settling in. We are, I don't know if you can see me over there. I'll bring you in a bit closer. We are going to settle in for the night here. Got the fire going. We will move a bit closer once the wind sorts itself out and we know where we can sit. But it's a beautiful night. There's some stars coming out, which I'm excited about because I can do a star trail. And I'm hoping I can get it so I can get both tents in the shot. Both rooftops. It's going to look awesome. But for now, I'm not going to say goodnight because something exciting might happen. Who knows? I am going to have hot chocolate. But wow, how beautiful is it? Campfire. Whoops, sorry, knocked the camera. My lights are happy. Well, I'm happy with my lights, I should say. I'm getting twisted up. Haven't even had a drink. Oh, this is just so good. Happy as. And I think Dave's happy. He's run off. He's camera shy. He's run off. I think he's enjoying himself, which is good.
Yeah, having a ball.
He probably won't ask to come with me again though, because I do dribble shit, 'cause I'm not used to camping with someone, so I'm talking a lot. But yeah, beautiful night. We did hear a car and people yapping over there, that way, somewhere. I'm not sure, you probably can't see me, sorry. Yeah, but that way over there. But can't hear a thing now, so I think they've settled in for the night, which is good. But yeah, I got nothing to complain about. Life is good.
Fridge box.
Yep.
And cook from this side.
Yep.
And that way I can twist the air.
You know,
Well,
you got to
The best purchase I made so far was the windbreak.
Good morning, everyone.
Don't look at my bed here.
You don't have to worry about that with me. Whoops, sorry.
Right.
Had a little bit of rain last night, not much. Little breeze this morning. The birds are up. The wind's coming from that way this time. So Yes, the fire burnt down nicely, which is good. Didn't have to worry about that. Oh, it was a nice night's sleep, apart from when the wind blew for just a little bit and all heavy drops for me fell from that onto that. Sounded like someone was throwing rocks on it, but still slept well. According to Dave, I snore. I think he's lying. I don't think. No one else ever complains. Ah. Always. So now when I wake up, I move everything to the corner.
They say you can cook anything and everything in it. But you have to be pretty specific. We come home for lunch and disappeared again. We were either swimming, there was a huge, well there still is I think.
Well, been a pretty lazy morning, as always. Just sitting around yapping, spinning yarns. We do have to pack up. Putting it off. Don't really want to. But got to head home today, worse luck.
Trying to dry up.
Yes, it's gotten close to drying and a little shower has come through, so the sun's trying to get out now. But I don't think it'll be enough to dry. I'm going to definitely have to set up when I get home. But it's part of camping, especially when it's raining. Right, where's my chair? Let's see how wet I get. Woo. Quite surprised. I thought I was going to get a lot wetter, but I didn't. Now I just got the rooftop. Dave's flying through his. His was awning's a bit easier than mine, I think. But it didn't take long anyway. Just like that, packed up. Probably took what, 15, 20 minutes?
Yep.
If that. Not long at all. Easy. But don't go away. We got to get Dave out of here. I know what it's like. He doesn't. He's only driven down. But he'll get out easy. So yeah. Thanks for joining. We'll see you at the top of the track. Thanks for coming, Dave.
Thanks for the invite.
Yeah. We've tidied up the rubbish best we can here with what we've got. It looks 100% better. But now, start these cars and make our way out and up the hill. See you at the hill. Now, I've done this track out in the dry and in the wet. And I know how difficult it can be and how easy it can be, but Dave hasn't. So I've got a camera up on top of his car filming him driving up. His car doesn't quite have the clearance mine has got, but he should get up alright with a little bit of right foot. But yeah, be fun to watch. This, it looks a bit daunting when you come up, but it's not that bad really. You just got to stay in the rut and walk up it. We'll see how Dave goes, eh? Coming up, this should be good. I made it easy, just one little spot I had to give a little bit of a boot, but yeah. Boom. Yes. He made it. Haha. Burnt some rubber.
That was fun.
You can smell the rubber back there. Well, thanks for coming everyone. Hope it was enjoyable. I don't know how this is going to turn out actually, because I haven't recorded as much as I normally do, and yeah, just not used to filming with someone else around. But yeah, and we did sit there and dribble for a long time. Like, I stayed up later than I ever have. So yeah, camping. But it was good. It was a good night. Thanks for coming, Dave.
Thanks for having me.
I don't know if you'll come again.
Of course. Definitely.
You say that on camera, but right. All right, catch us next time.